It's your girl Tisha Monique back again, and today dolls I wanted to just quickly share with you a gorgeous bag that I've been absolutely obsessed with. And I know I've been sharing a lot of bags with you dolls lately, but I have been so lucky to get my hands on some of the top bags that are so affordable but are one-to-one replicas that are exact matches. And I just have to share these bags with you dolls. This doll that will be added to our collection is this gorgeous bag here. This is the Chanel Coco top handle bag, and she is a beauty. Oh my gosh, let me tell you that this is love at first sight. I absolutely love this bag. It's just the perfect size. It is the perfect bag for the season, in my opinion. I love how chic it is, how elegant it is, and the quality, guys, is top notch. This quality is unlike any other, and I can say that because I have tried so many different boutiques and brands, and this bag, when it came in, I was just like, oh my gosh, I'm so obsessed and instantly in love. Let's start with the detailing. Of course, it is the classic Chanel caviar leather, and it has the cocoa handle. Beauty that I love in this bag is that everything is so detailed and so spot on. This one is kind of a muted gold that almost passes for a silver. I would say it's a champagne gold. So this is how the bag looks. As you can see, it is a smaller bag, but it's definitely not too small. It's not a mini bag by far. On the back of the bag, you do have the classic little flap here where I like to hold my phone in here typically, but it does have a crossbody strap, which I have attached as well, even down to the details here. You see that the Chanel logo is embossed there, which does match the bag itself. I love to carry these top handle bags, or bags with the top handle with the attached crossbody strap, which of course you can crossbody this, and it's so pretty on the body. There, you twist here under the logo to open the bag up. And I love in this bag that it has a lot of space, even though it's not a huge bag. But you can see that the detailing is there. It's embossed with the logo every place that it should be on the clasps where you attach the crossbody strap. It does have feet on the bottom. So this is just a really elegant, really sophisticated bag. When you go inside, it has zipper in the middle. It has the signature Chanel lipstick pouch there. In the front, it's got the zipper in the back, and it's got two, I don't want to stretch her out too much, but it's got the Chanel logo inside, the signature mauve or blood red interior, and it has a place you can put your phone in there. It's not a large bag on the inside. You can put your phone in there. You can fit your lipstick, your touch-up powder, your credit cards, or a credit card holder, and that is pretty much it. I love that it has the firm, structured shape on it to where it's not stretching out. It's very structured, which I love. But this bag, you guys, is just so elegant that I wanted to make sure that you get your hands on this bag while it's available. You can pick up this bag, or you can pick up any other bag of your choice. From the side, I'll have all the details listed below. The thing I love about this website or this brand is that they have so many options, and so many unique pieces, so many unique bags that you are not going to see on other dolls when you're out and about. I just think that these bags are really showstoppers, stunning bags that you would not be able to see a difference in, which is what I love about it. Just get into the details of the bag itself. The craftsmanship is top notch. The chain is very nice quality. You know, if you've ordered from other brands, you may know that, you know, the chains can be twisted, or it could be not the right color metal, but this bag is just so gorgeous. I want to make sure that you dolls get your hands on it. So like I said, I'll have everything listed below in the description box. Just go check it out, go search, go surf their website, look at all the bags that they have, but I'll have this particular bag linked. And I absolutely love this one. They do have the this bag with the red or burgundy. Burgundy is the interior color, and then burgundy for the cocoa top handle as well, which is the one that I kind of toggled between deciding which one I wanted to get, but I went with the solid black because I think that this is going to be a great classic bag. I've been loving to wear this bag dressed up or dressed down. I've worn it to like my son's basketball games with my aloe sweatsuits, Nike sweatsuits and stuff, but I've also dressed it up. I've worn it with the dress, I've worn it with full denim looks, I've worn it with a dress. It's just a really nice, fully functional, versatile bag that you have got to see it in person. It looks even better in person than, hopefully it's picking up on camera, the quality that is. So I'm wearing this gorgeous pant set that is a champagne color, which I think is perfect for the holidays. I've had her for a while, but I'll link it below. I'm on Amazon as well. But yes, dolls, this is my bag of the day. Not so much a what's in my bag. I guess it's a what's in my bag or what is my bag, I should say. But I love this bag. I think that you would love this bag as well. I wanted to share with you dolls. So be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you dolls in the next one. Bye.